So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your quick settings in your Android smartphone. So let's begin the video. So first of all, completely scroll down your notification bar. Here in the top right corner you can see a three dots option. Click on that three dots option and then go to edit tiles. Now here you can see more functions. You have to just drag and drop the functions you want. For example, let's just drag and drop this one. If you want to remove the tiles, just click on the minus icon and it will be removed. You can also just drag and change its position too. And after everything is done, just click on back. And here you can see your quick settings changes are saved. So that's how you can change your quick settings in your Android smartphone. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.